Hi and welcome. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of my viewers that have been watching my channel over the years. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everyone who watches, who subscribes. I especially appreciate those who take the time to comment on my channel, because I always learn something from what you have to say. So please feel free and give me your advice, suggestions, whether I agree or not. It's always useful and I always appreciate it. I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I've got some big projects coming up next year. Here's one, and this will be started in the next month or two. We've got a lot going on right now. I've got a bunch of projects stacked up over there, and I'd like to take a moment to thank the YouTube content creators. I really appreciate you guys. I've learned a ton from what you had to teach, and I've made friends from all over the world, so I really appreciate it. Your content's great, your commentary's great, and I hope you keep on going. I look forward to watching more of your content over the coming years. So I just wanted to say to all of my viewers, subscribers, and especially commenters, thank you for watching my channel and making it so enjoyable over the last few years to make this content. And I hope there will be many more. And have a happy holiday and a happy new year for those that applies to. For the rest of you, thank you for watching my channel. I hope to see you next time.